Today we're going to kill some mosquitoes. Let's do it. Hey guys, Mac here with Aero Pest Service. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be installing an automatic mosquito misting system. Yeah, you heard that right, an automatic mosquito misting system. Today we're on Callaway Bayou. Let me show you something. You see all this sawgrass, all these palmetto bushes? That's a breeding ground for mosquitoes and also no-see-ums. No-see-ums, you can't hardly see them, but they feel like they just like piranhas just eating you up. And so they've hired us today to install our automatic misting system that will take care of mosquitoes, yellow flies, and yes, no-see-ums. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We got great content on here. We always want to provide quality stuff for you that's entertaining, yet also educational. Come on, it's time to kill some mosquitoes. All right, we got Michael here with us today. Mike, say what's up.
What's going on?
Come on. Chris.
Ada.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and start hooking up this misting system.
Put this hose in here.
This is our main tank. Everything, all of our products gonna be held in here. This is the control unit. I'll show you how we're gonna program this and show you how everything's done. We'll open this up, fill it up. But right now, we're just simply gonna dig a little trench along the side of this wall. And this is our high pressure tubing that the product flows through.
I'm gonna put some of these rocks back and start up.
Yeah, good job. Yeah.
Up as we go.
Hey Chris, I said, all right, we're gonna start filming a little bit. You want me to edit you out? They're like, no, we're gonna go inside.
Of course.
Funny thing is, some people like to be on camera and some people absolutely hate it.
Yeah. We just don't have no choice.
And Michael and Chris have no choice, you know.
We just don't have no
But hey, listen, they're gonna be YouTube stars. They don't even know it yet.
It's in the contract.
I've already done
It's part of the job.
I was on one side.
There you go. Got it? Good job, Chris. Good job,
No
Michael.
problem.
All right.
The dude. That's right. I gave the new guy the hard job. Mine, I just did.
Little T fitting. Here's a little 15-inch riser, copper riser. These things are designed for these nozzles just to slip right on here. See? So we're going to probably make up, I think we're making up 5 of these, and they're going to go along this edge right here. So 3 are going to be lined up here, and then on the other side of the patio, we're going to have 2 more. So we're going to go ahead and make up 4 more of these and get them installed, and let's go. I want to make sure that they're pushed in all the way. If not, they will leak. These are our stakes. They slip right in here. And at the bottom of this, there's this little T. And we'll stick it right in that slot. Just like that, watch. Now, this is our whole stake. We call these risers. We don't always put risers out, but sometimes when we don't want to attach them to the house, we'll use these risers, flower beds, around pools, things of that nature. Very handy. I like them.
There we go.
Oh, let me get on this.
Go ahead.
We're having to come a little ways out from the foundation because there's a footer that comes out that's about 6 inches or so. That's why you're seeing it away from the house and not up against it. So that's going to be good. Look at that. Good deal. Nice and sturdy.
All right. Coming out easy.
All right. Let's move on to the next one, Chris.
All right, I got you.
Yeah, pack it in there real good, Chris.
Yeah, that's one. About done to here. We're gonna do a 90 right there, I think. And then you're gonna.
So now we're getting ready to take these nozzles and we're going to attach them to something like this. You can turn them around any way you want, up, down.
Getting it started.
Come just like that.
I know I'm a lot slower than you are, Mac. As far as attaching things.
No, you good, man.
I'm trying to be thorough, though.
If I, hold on a sec. If I was you, listen.
Okay, listen. I'm listening.
Go ahead and attach that into that one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good idea.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Perfect.
Perfecto.
One more strap. All right. You hand them straps and screws.
Yep, we'll get her. We will get her.
Rodeo.
Yeah.
Now hold it on there. Hold it on there until you get it screwed on. Keep your hand on it. There you go.
All right.
Do not want to slip in.
No screw.
We don't need Michael hurt on the second day.
Right.
No, I'm not gonna get him. I promise. I won't hurt him. No workman's comp for you today,
No
Michael.
workman's comp.
Sprayers on this side, about right here.
I want it, yeah. I want it right.
About right there.
I want it
Okay.
right there. That way nobody trips on it.
All right, 10-4.
This is the second day of the time change where we fall back in our time. And if we don't hurry up and get this job done soon, guess what? We're going to be eaten alive out here. I already seen these no-see-ums starting to get a hold of me. So, yeah, I mean, I know I'm sweet, but heck, ain't nobody got time for this.
That's right.
All right. These are small ones.
Yeah.
Yep. Stack them on, stack them on.
We're gonna get it. We gonna get it. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Yeah, you always want to put one in between each one.
I put one right here.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to put another one right here? I can put another
That's
one.
fine.
That's fine.
Probably gonna need a 90 right there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I got one right here. I got one right here.
At least we got a nice little breeze coming off that water right now. It's keeping them bugs off of us. I swear these no-see-ums got teeth like piranhas.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, they'll eat you up.
Second.
Oh, shit. You need to tighten it some more or bring it up.
Yeah, bring it.
There we go. Give me that.
See, look how nice and neat that looks.
Get it in there.
Okay, you're good. Where's our cutters? Cut it right there.
Right here.
Right
There.
Yeah. Okay.
You go.
Stick it to it.
Gotcha. I gotcha.
Stick it to it.
He's already got me. I just need to.
How many guys does it take to put in a misting system?
As many as we can use.
Right.
As many as we can use.
I like these things because they can swivel back and forth. Even they go up like that too.
I don't know if you told them earlier, Matt, but most of these units come with a little remote.
It does have a remote.
It has a remote, so if you know you're going to go outside, you can hit that remote a few minutes before you do and take away all the bugs before you walk outside and have to deal with them.
You got that right.
And that comes together.
Let's do it.
Good.
Come on. It's time to kill some mosquitoes. See, I do know how to do this.
Yeah, he's been doing it for a while. Getting in the rhythm. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, the homeowner was just out here. He said, man, we can't even hang out on our deck without being eaten alive by the no-see-ums. That's the one thing about being in Florida, especially in an area like this. Those no-see-ums will eat you alive, man.
None about them.
People that come from up north, they'll come from Ohio, Michigan, places like that, and they're like, what are these things? Man, see, they're eating me right now. Yeah, Chris, we gotta hurry up.
We almost done.
I see them flying around your head.
We almost.
I see them flying around your head.
Yeah.
Right there. Right on that, right where you want it.
Right where I want it.
Yep.
All right.
You got the clippers.
All right. On the ground with it.
Yep. Put you a strap right here.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
You might need to put one right
Next to it.
One more right there.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Staying on it.
Right.
Thank you. I promise I won't get your fingers, Matt.
You better not. Good job, Chris. Yeah, just pull that down and pull that up. There you go.
Piece of cake. And it just compresses in.
Yep, push it in there real good.
And when you can do it.
Not wanting to go?
Yeah, it will.
Okay. Boom.
Yahtzee.
Yeah, let's see. All right. Push that one. There's a footer right there. Good job.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. It's a good day to kill some mosquitoes.
That's right.
Okay. All right. I think we're all
Good day to kill mosquitoes.
done with all this stuff now.
We gotta fill her up, set her up.
Yeah. It's time to fill it up. All right, Chris is taking off this little cap. Sometimes it can be a pain in the butt to get off.
Yeah, at first at least. You can get her running.
We'll fill it up with water, get this programmed. We're gonna test it out. We always test it with water first. We don't put chemical in it and then test it, just in case we have a leak. We have to fix it. And yes, sometimes that does happen. All right,
Go put her on.
yeah, let me take this off real quick.
All right, 10-4. Yeah, we don't want it.
All right. This is a 55-gallon tank, so it's gonna last approximately about 3 months. It's gonna come on twice a day. We have it programmed right now to come on at 4:30 in the afternoon for 60 seconds, and then also 6 o'clock in the morning for 60 seconds. We also have a remote control that they can press at any time. It'll go off for another 60 seconds, so we can get this population down so they can start to enjoy this backyard.
Here we go.
Okay. Here's our remote control that I was telling you about. Now we got to do is connect it to this device, and let's go. All right, Chris.
All right, I got you.
You got to take that little
Yeah.
thing out.
And I got to put the little pin in the back. I don't see any leaks now. I did Mac. I turned these away from the steps a little bit,
Okay.
just so that they won't get filled up on these corners. I kind of.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I've turned them over to the side a little bit so they won't get built up.
I see what you're talking about.
Jeez, it's fogging good. You want to go up with them?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do that.
There you go.
That'll be a lot. Yeah, that'll be a lot better like that.
Yeah.
Rather than just on the ground.
Yeah. Perfect.
This goes to the front.
When you go around, he'll have a big window. You'll see the faucet. Yeah, it goes right in there. Perfect.
Yep, that's much better.
All right, Chris, it's gonna wrap it up.
All right, let's get on with it.
Come on.
Get to the house.
I think they're super happy.
Yeah, I believe so too. This whole neighborhood's gonna have mist away before you know it.
You got that right.
He got all the stuff and put it in my truck.
Okay, that's gonna wrap up this job right here. I'm telling you, these customers are super happy. They get to come out and use their backyard because they haven't had a chance to do it. But listen, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We love you, we appreciate you, and God bless.